Hello everyone, this is Gal's daughter. Today we will make some Nutella stuffed donut. First let's make the dough. 2 eggs, 2 egg yolks, sugar, and salt. Milk is a bit cold from the fridge. Warm it up in a microwave oven for 30 seconds. After mixing, make sure it is not hotter than body temperature. Put in yeast and flour. As expected, very soft, super sticky dough. Rest it for 15 minutes. Put in soft butter. First grab the butter into the dough. Then we knead the dough by throwing it like this. Set up a timer for 5 minutes. Throw it towards the side of the bowl. The bowl will be clean after a while. Now cover it and let it ferment for 1.5 hours. Pour a little bit oil. You can pour oil before fermentation. If the chopping board is dry, apply some oil too. A big bubble comes out. Gently roll it flat. To this thickness. Cut out donuts. If you don't have this tool, you can use a can. Remove the bottom or just punch a hole. It can cut out donuts too. Make a ball with the remaining dough. Rest it for a while and roll it out for more donuts. Cover it with plastic wrap and proof for 1 hour at room temperature. You see it grow taller. Before frying, do some preparation. Put Nutella in a piping bag. Put sugar and add a little bit of cinnamon. Stir well. The oil temperature is about 330 Fahrenheit. Test the temperature with the chopstick. You'll see a lot of small bubbles. Put in small dough. Just wait for a few seconds. When the bottom is slightly cooked, turn it over. Don't flip it now until the bottom is colored. After both sides are gently cooked, the whole donut springs up evenly. When the bottom is golden brown, turn it over to color the other side. After the 2 sides are golden, take it out. There's a ring in the middle. You see each one has a round shape and a ring in the middle. Fill it with Nutella while it's hot. Use chopsticks to poke a hole. Fill the donut with Nutella. It's up to you how much you want to squeeze in. Toss it in the sugar. The donut is ready. The homemade donuts are super delicious since it is very fresh and it's still warm. This is one of my and my siblings' favorite food. The only thing is, my mom doesn't cook donuts for us every day. Thanks for watching. This is Amber. See you in the next episode.